Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today's incidents, two of them I'm going to talk about are all about the machete. The first one involved a JDF soldier, right, and 4 youth who try to rob him. And the next one involved 2 brothers, a mother and a sister. Crazy stuff. Now, let's start with the JDF soldier. So, this man, who's a corporal, right, was traveling in his private motor vehicle. Start feel like, say, stomach upset or whatever. So him pull over, start throw up. While him did that throw up, right, a group of men approach him and did the whole fake humanitarian thing, You alright? Why you throw up, Psychs them I use. Was like the corporal pick up or go on right away, right? So, as the corporal decides to want to take out himself, right? It's like the man them start rushing upon him, jump in a vehicle, make a call, right? Basically him call a team that was stationed at Bagwalk, right? Asking for support, or at least make him know to listen. Some man a try pull a stunt on him. The man him end up catch up with the corporal, right? Decides to go take away him vehicle. See a man them when I try the whole fake walk thing, right? The fake humanitarian thing. That's one of the things about Jamaica. Times are so serious that if something happens to you and somebody even offer helping hand, you doubt them. Think about that. Times are so serious that man I use humanitarianism and compassion, right, as a psychs to hurt people. So something happens to you and people are coming towards you, you don't even know if a friend or a foe. Carry lick you down or whatever, you drop down on the road. You don't even know if man will come over come help you or come take your phone and your wallet out of your pocket. You don't know. Right. Anyway, the man end up catch up back to the soldier. Because I guess they determined to them want to carry there. And if you don't know, them AD wagon there, right, them are one of the hot carry them with the man them thief hard. Right. When them get them either scrap them and sell them for parts because obviously them parts didn't stay upon your hand too long. Right. People always want them parts that are them take the care and carry up on other robbery or other criminal ops. Right. So anyway, 1 out of the 4 man them have a weapon, right, have a gun, 1 out of the 4. Them pop it off on the soldier. And him fake for him waist like say him have something him have go pop off too. The man them get nervous and boomy. Right. The man them get nervous. Remember what I always say? 87s are not coming for a shootout. Even if them have the drop on you. If them see like say you are gonna start challenge them now, man start get boomy, they're simply not prepared for it. Most of them, especially a group of rookies like this. Right. And later on in the video you're gonna find out when I say them a rookie. When the man fake for him shirt, man get nervous, man get boomy, start shuffle up. The soldier end up reach him last with the 9 car. Rush on upon the man them. Me say, the youth make him leg off and the youth put up him on. And at the last minute, take off the hand completely. Now, when we see the picture of the loss, right, it's an old rusty loss. It depends on a few of them IG page and nobody asks me for it. Right. If you make a loss like that, go through somebody hand, in a one swing, you know him swing it to the all in might. But that's adrenaline. When you're in a danger, you turn Superman. Right? The hand drop off completely. Now, 3 youth them a get catch. And them are the rookies. Because they make man carry them go on ups and them don't even know what them a do. The man who carry them on the ups, in cut left them. Him jump in a vehicle and cut left them. Gone with weapon. Right? Remember now, him have the firepower and him supposed to stand up and supposedly, or I'm assuming, him job was to defend the man if anything, right? If anything go wrong, I'm supposed to start squeezing. But no squeezing no go on. You know what? Probably don't even have a shot. Probably don't even have a single round in that weapon. When people realize that enough time man go up on robbery with fake, not fake gun but empty gun. Them use fake gun too, but enough time, man don't even have a single shot in the gun. So if somebody challenge them dead. Enough people only understand something. I one thing forget, they're gonna know. But if we constantly resupply ammunition, that's a different thing. And what them I hope for is that people are going to see the gun and just hand it over right away and nobody challenge them. So enough time when you see stories on the hear say man have a gun and then they end up getting knocked out and kicked down and face bust up and you say then man if you have a gun, right? And then end up getting knocked out or end up get stabbed up or that don't make no sense. If you shoot the man, enough time them now and shot into the gun. Enough time them do and shot into the gun. Right, so anyway, the man will plan the apps and carry them pan the apps in cut left them. Meanwhile man they pan gun with hand chop and all kind of foolishness. Some of the youth them come from Kingston 11. You see how far them reach? This up all the way down near Kent Village, Backwalk side. People, I link me and I say, if somebody tell them say them youth they are getting involved in a robbery, them will never believe it until them see for themselves. Big embarrassment down them. May say people shame, family shame, right? Because I feel like them never even know the youth mix up in that things. Let me tell you something, enough time when you see man dead, when you see police kill man, sometime when you see man dead and people run go black road, him know nothing. Him know nothing, I know him, you live next to him for 20 years, you know what man I do? You go like your tail and you attach the man, you know what man I do? You see what them used to do? Them left, them ends, and them go where Backwalk, go carry out to them a carry out, do what them a do, and then they go back home, right, to Kingston 11, right, and nobody don't know. Nobody don't know. Right. Why they come from Linstead? Out of town robbery. So as far as the residents are concerned, a normal you ain't give no trouble. Me can't swear for him, I never seen do nothing yet. Yeah, that's cause him not rob you. Enough man go out of town and keep up them foolishness. Even when time presidential quick on Delos and then they run West Kingston. People are so, nobody no thief and broke nothing run West Kingston. Yeah, the man them run West Kingston never have broke and thief nothing in a West Kingston. Right? The thief them will come from West Kingston, them couldn't thief in a garden, them couldn't thief in a dead town because they know what happened to them. Then go to town, go thief, and then go back into the community. Right? That's enough ends run. You might not be able to thief in your own community, or even if you can, you don't want your family know you do certain things, or you don't want to shame your family, so then go to town, go do what them do, and come back in. So all the time then dead upon them apps, or in this case, get them hand chop off. So you know it's enough youths to do things. What my type tell you now? Play stupid games, he wins stupid prizes. So, congratulations youth. For 2021, year present, we get for holding the hand where you have left is the hand where you just lose. The picture you want to see on the thumbnail, that's the youth holding his hand in his hand. He's got the whole world in his hand. Got the whole wide world in his hand. I don't know why they use them now, you know. Them look a quick fix they want man, make man tell them say we can go eat quick food and make fast money. When it go wrong, it go really wrong. And this is now the technology era. This is not 1995 when time apps go bad, nobody know about it now. When it go bad, you end up on everybody's phone. Everybody in Jamaica, yard and abroad. I don't know that maybe they can save their hand, right? Because we know some medicine has improved over the years, so maybe they can attach it back on or something can go on for him, but I don't know. Anyway, I feel problem that. Well, me know the brother will cut left them with the weapon. I don't think he might go last long because if you go abandon the other three man them and then get catch and worst man go lose and they're supposed to beat her right now, so expect to see the fourth man get catch anytime soon. I think them can hold it. Three of them just get in a confrontation with one JDF soldier and the three of them come up on the losing side. Them can manage pressure. Rookies Rookies are try a thing and it went terribly wrong. Now the next thing we want to talk about, or the next incident. Truly heart-wrenching story. Right, coming out of Aracabesa St. Mary. 2 brothers, right, found dead. Being reported that one brother, right, killed his own flesh and blood, chop him up, find parts over here, so body parts over here, so can't find that part, gruesome scenes. But probably the part of the story where shot the most people is the fact that the mother, yes, the mother of the youth, them and the sister were taken into custody. Why were they taken into custody? Well, aiding and abetting. See, after one brother kill the next brother, because them are war over land, them have dispute over land, right? Them end up get reports, somebody tip out the police at them to the mother, right? I help wipe up blood, and I clean up blood. Basically she a cover for the son we kill the next one. Let me explain something to you. When you notice, in this story, you have one mother, 2 sons. Hope you realize her desire to protect the killer son was greater than her desire to get justice for the killed son. I wanna read this, read the play. Her desire to protect, right, the killer son was greater than her desire to get justice for the killed son. Flesh and blood, This is family. Now, if she would cover up her son's gruesome killing of her another son, imagine what she'd do. Imagine what she'd cover up if they kill you. So I'm telling you about some of these mothers, some of these, when you talk about kerosene and all these people, and the role them play. When you talk about wash out blood or clothes, I think say I'm just trying to be dramatic. See a case, yeah? See a case, yeah? The woman could not gather it in her heart to feel the need for her, the youth were dead, to get justice. She could not, and that's her flesh. You think she will tell the police that her son kill you? Or turn in her son after him kill you? Anyway, it look like jungle justice to go on and them catch the next son. Catch the next son and he end up get a gruesome death as well. Both of the killings them gruesome. And I was speaking with some people, right, from St. Mary's side. And I was saying to them, boy, how both of the killings them so gruesome, man. Hand gone, foot gone, parts gone, next youth belly cut out and all kind of things. And they were saying to me, that part, right, of the parish, no farming go on. Right. Man have livestock and everything there. So over time, people get accustomed to seeing blood because man a chop up much goat and a cut up much animal, you have to understand. After a while, it's the people who do butcher work and everything there, after a while them get immune to the sight of blood and flesh and cut up and everything there. So even though you might think to yourself, well, it's a human, you know, for them eyes are just flesh. They may cut you out the same way them giant up a pig, and the same way they may giant up a man. So you have to hope say them just not have the heart to kill people, because if they actually have the heart to kill people, I saw them kill them. Just like how them like kill an animal. Because them used to gianting up pig and goat and things for them young. Right? Remember, most people are squeamish to blood, even if it's a goat. No people can't witness a goat getting killed, Even the sight of a goat get string up and him throat cut, no people can't manage that. But you have some man who are so used to doing it, it have no effect on them. So if them man they lose and decide them going to turn past somebody, same with them deal with the human like how they deal with the goat. So I always tell myself, leave farmer man property alone. Right? That's why when you see man who do pretty last and when them thief go down here say, farmer limb them up. One of the reasons why it's so easy for the livestock man them limb up thief, goat teeth and cow teeth because that's what they do, they limb up flesh. The sight of blood and flesh getting chopped up not have much effect on them. Right? They become numb to it. Them do it so often. Right? It's normalized to them. So I'm telling you, so leave the people in farm alone. Tragic story. Tragic story. 2 brothers gone, mother and sister arrested. Land issues. Land issues. The amount of Jamaicans to go down in a grave, the amount of families that get torn apart, the amount of people, right, will become all out enemies over land. But can only talk to people so many times, you know. Right? I suppose. So let me ask you a question now. People who believes alright, yes, war and chop up man over land and kill man. Well, in this scenario, who win here so? Cause 2 brothers dead, mother and sister gone to jail. What go to the land? You know what go to the land? It a go dead. The land a go dead long after I'm dead and gone, the land a go still dead. When the barn come see it, I'm not go dead left it. Right. So you can war over land. Like when you think the land a follow and go anywhere you go. You think land a go jail it money? You think the mother, if the mother get found guilty and go down a Fort Augusta, you think so the land a go down a cell with her? You think so land a go in a casketed man? Right. When man get laid down, when man drop him at the hole, them say alright, come bring the 3 acre, come drop him at the hole with him. Land the business about nobody. Right, land there long before now, and I go there long after now. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.